Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press. Here, it's Friday, May 26th, 2023. We're covering the Southern District of New York Courthouse, right behind me. And today at 2 o'clock, there will be oral arguments in the Jeffrey Epstein victims case. That's Jane Doe 1 and U.S. Virgin Islands, both versus JPMorgan Chase. Arguments on class certification. We'll be covering that and covering it closely. In another case that we're covering closely, Carroll versus Trump, people said it wouldn't occur, but little by little, the appeal is coming together in the Second Circuit with requests for transcripts and the filing of various notices of appearance. And so we'll be covering that in the Second Circuit. Now, on a negative, not negative, well, yes, negative. Yesterday we were covering the magistrate's court here. It's on the 5th floor of the building behind me. And we covered a number of cases of a guy needing a colonoscopy that was being released from the MDC while awaiting charges of having had 7 guns, including an assault rifle, in his apartment. But I digress, because right after that case, or during a break in that case, as they sought to speak to the medical unit of the MDC in Brooklyn, a case began. A counsel was talking about pro hac vice. There was talk of suretors, and suddenly it was announced that this was a U.S. versus Doe case, and the courtroom would be sealed. I asked orally, could the docket number be known and the basis for sealing, and was told no. I waited in the hallway outside the court about, I don't know, from maybe 30 minutes. Anyway, we're trying to get to the bottom of this. That's all I can say. I understand sometimes there may be a need for sealing. I don't think that the U.S. Attorney's Office can ask to seal a courtroom without Main Justice signing off. I'll just leave it at that for now. But in fairness, this is nothing compared to the United Nations. At least here there is a First Amendment and common law right of the public and press to attend court proceedings. In the UN, there's no rights at all. If they don't like your question, if they don't like what you're doing, they just rough you up and throw you out. You can take a look at Inner City Press. We put up the video of that. And there's no recourse. Here there is recourse, and so we're trying in a very respectful way to get to the bottom and to advance the interest of transparency. I think it's good on all around, and so watch this space and have a good weekend.